For 3 generations, the Grueninger family has been running its flour mill in Flums in the traditional way. The company employs some 70 people in different roles. The new building, erected in 2010 with its railway sidings, is an extension of its milling operations. The new milling plant is equipped with state-of-the-art process technology supplied by Bühler Swiss. Every day it processes 100 metric tons of wheat into high-quality end products for bakeries and the baked products industry. Most of the grain varieties processed, wheat, rye and spelt, are domestically grown. The grain, which is mainly received by rail, is stored in the adjacent grain silo before processing. Before unloading, a sample is drawn from each railway wagon and carefully tested for its quality in the laboratory using an NIR analysis unit. Special attention is paid to the condition of the grain supplied. High grain quality is essential for making the end products demanded by the market. If the received grain satisfies the requirements, it is pre-cleaned and weighed before being stored in the grain silo. Coarse impurities are separated by a drum sieve, and low-density matter by air in an aspiration channel. Then the grain is moved by mechanical conveyors, such as elevators and chain conveyors, to the appropriate storage bins. The 2 grain silos together have a storage capacity of 12,000 metric tons. Storage is controlled and monitored from the control room. The different grain varieties and qualities are extracted from the raw grain bins at a controlled rate by flow balancers and then blended. This process is enormously important because it allows quality variations in the grain to be evened out. The grain blend is then subjected to intensive cleaning. The combi cleaner used for this purpose performs 4 operations: separation, grading, removal of stones, removal of low-density matter. Another very important grain cleaning machine is the optical sorter from Bühler Sortex, which is equipped with cutting-edge camera technology. This allows it very efficiently to separate impurities whose colour and surface appearance differ from the main product, for example other seeds or grains with discoloured germs. In addition, magnetic separators retain any metal particles so that they will not reach the grinding system. Before grinding, the grain is dampened to a moisture content of about 16.5% to create the best possible grinding conditions. In order to allow the water to disperse uniformly throughout the individual grains, a tempering time of up to 36 hours is required, depending on their hardness. After final scouring to remove detached hull particles and another weighing cycle, the conditioned grain is transferred to the grinding system. All the equipment is controlled from the control center inside the mill building, from cleaning and grinding to storage in the flour silo. The WinCos R2 process automation system used for this purpose is matched to the needs of the mill. It fulfills the high control and monitoring requirements of the plant. The processes are visualized on a display screen. They can, whenever necessary, be viewed by the miller and be adjusted to suit the job being processed. WinCos R2 also ensures 100% product interlocking, ruling out undesirable product cross-contamination. All the job data is saved in the system for several months. This allows accurate product retracing from the grain silo through to the bagging and packaging lines. The state-of-the-art roller mills form the heart of the mill. They are characterized by their round-the-clock automatic operation. In an initial grinding phase, the grains are cracked open on roller mills equipped with fluted rollers, resulting in a product mix made up of different particle sizes. After being pneumatically lifted and separated from the air by cyclone separators, the mix is fed to sifters for grading. Their numerous stacked sieves are provided with different mesh sizes. The sieves grade the product mix by size into different groups, such as hull particles, semolina, middlings, and flour. Using screens and air, purifiers separate the semolina and middlings a second time into a pure group and a group containing hulls. The pure semolina and middlings are directed to additional roller mills equipped with smooth rolls, where they are reduced to flour. The hulls, which are called bran, undergo further processing into animal feed in the adjacent feed mill. High-efficiency dust filter systems clean the process air, which is discharged into the atmosphere or back into the building. Silencers allow the air to be discharged from the building with little noise. The fairly complex grinding process is made up of numerous different stages. It is the miller's task to apply his specialist skills and to adjust the grinding equipment so that the grist yields a high extraction rate of bright, speck-free flours. He must also correctly blend the millstream flours obtained during grinding so that they will satisfy the end product requirements and quality characteristics. Moreover, he must match the grinding process to the varying quality characteristics of a natural product, grain, in order to ensure round-the-clock, trouble-free production. This requires expert adjustment and checking of all the equipment in the plant. A large number of detectors and sensors on the machines are essential for ensuring smooth and automatic plant operation. At the end of the grinding process, electronic scales transmit the flour weight readings to the yield calculator. This unit provides a permanent overview of the finished product yields that have been achieved. Then the flours are pneumatically conveyed to the appropriate finished product bins. Subsequent homogenization ensures that the flours have a uniform quality. Samples are automatically and continuously drawn for careful analysis in the company's in-house laboratory. After all, customers must be able to rely on a consistently high quality of flour. To ensure this for the future, existing and new product formulas are tested and improved in the test bakery. Customers can thus be given the best advice. The mill must satisfy the wide variety of demands for special bakery blends from its many different customers. For this purpose, the flour silo is equipped with a batch blending and mixing system. It enables natural additives, such as vitamins and flour improvers, to be added to the finished flours at an accurate rate in order to meet customers' specific needs. This further improves the baking characteristics of the flours and thus enhances their value. The batch mixer, with its outstanding mixing efficiency, disperses the additives in the individual flour types with high accuracy, even at high throughput capacities and very small addition rates. Depending on the specific order, the finished flours are transferred directly to the bulk outloading section or to the packing and packaging lines following final resifting. To guarantee the best hygiene standards, the entire bulk outloading system is installed in an enclosed building section. On the basis of his delivery note, the driver of a tanker can retrieve the product from the bulk outloading bins himself for delivery to a specific customer and load it into the tanker. Thanks to an advanced control system, no incorrect product will be sent out. The generously equipped packing section boasts a high-speed, fully automatic bagging line for 25 or 50 kilogram bags, as well as 2 packaging lines. They pack the finished products into the bags or packages of the required size. No matter whether 50, 25 or 1 kilogram units are packed, each volume is weighed with high precision. Then the bags or packages are filled and palletized. The generously designed warehouse for finished products can hold 500 pallets. From here, the bakery flours are quickly and efficiently loaded onto road vehicles for delivery to numerous customers in Switzerland and the neighbouring regions outside the country. Willi Grueninger AG in Flums transforms natural materials such as wheat, rye and spelt into high-quality bakery flours, enabling its many different customers to produce their outstanding bread and bakery products.